Entering the data horizontally in the normal Excel is not everyone's cup of tea. And in this video, you are going to learn how you're able to do something similar, but you're able to enter the data vertically. This will be a normal situation if I enter the data horizontally. Example, the next person will be Bravo. This is an assistant manager in the sales department, and the 011, 123, 456. So that will be not so easy for everyone to enter. So now I'm going to show you the secret and not many people are aware. Just go to on top left section, you will see something called Customize Quick Access Toolbar. Just click on that and you will choose a third from the last. It says More Commands. Click on that. On the left side, instead of popular commands, you select and you want to see all commands. Here, you will see a lot of long list of the commands hidden away from the normal Excel view. So what you want to search is forms. You can press the first alphabet, F, and it brings you to the first one. I just scroll down, you can see there's a form. Yes, this is the one, and click Add, and you will see it appears on the right side. After I press OK, it will show on the Quick Access Toolbar. Now press OK. You can see that Quick Access Toolbar appears. Make sure my active cells within the range and click. And here you can see this is the first record. If I scroll down, it will be second record, and you will say there's 2 of 2. If I want to create a new one, I will just create new. So the third one will be Charlie, and position is executive, and it's inside the sales department, and mobile number is 011 111 222. So once I'm done, I can just press tab key and click on new. Yep, this is the next one. If let's say certain record I do not need it, for example, I want to remove Bravo record, I can just scroll, I can see there's a Bravo, I can click on delete. So you will ask for confirmation, you can press OK, the thing is gone, and you can close. And this is how you're able to do the data entry easily using form. This now was a very simple example how you're able to use something uncharted function in Excel to do something very amazing. Hope this video helps you to learn something new. If you have not subscribed, please consider to subscribe to this channel so that whenever there's a new update of the video, you'll be able to get notified. And please continue to share this to your friends and colleagues so that they're able to learn something new together with you. My name is Tai, your Excel Sifu. Take care everyone and stay safe. And bye!